All right, guys, welcome to today's awesome meeting. Welcome to today's awesome class, right? So, a quick one. I just want to talk on something very, very important. So many persons have been mistaking this one for the other one and the other one for another one, right? So, something very, very important for a short time, right? So, and also, if this is your first time joining this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, right? Also, remember to share to your friends, your families, those related to you, right? So that they will be able to capitalize on what is happening on this channel. Remember, especially the daily analysis, the channel is for the forex community, right? So let's go ahead. What is it that we're going to be talking about right now? Just a short stuff. So that is the break even in the forex market, right? This is the break even in the forex market, right? So I've been some questions have been coming on this break even. What is break even in the forex market? How do I apply it? What is break even in the first place, right? Because if you don't understand what break even is, you will not be able to use it and using it very well in the forex market. Number one, you have to understand what it is, right? So what is this break even, right? So many persons have their own different definitions of what break even is, right? But this is it. It's a conservative way of utilizing your trade or utilizing your losses in the forex market. If you really know how to use break even in the forex market, it's going to be very easy for you. Trading will be very, very easy for you. Break even is a conservative way of trading, right? So how is it? But before I go ahead showing you how it is on the chart and how to apply it on the chart, let's note this, right? But break even, there are different types of break even, right? In the forex market, there are different types of break even in the forex market, right? So this is one of the best ways to manage risk and losses in the forex market. I've said that. I said we should know that. So it's one of the best ways to manage risk and losses in the forex market. Number two, you make little or no profit, but you don't make losses in the forex market. That is the concept of break even. You make little or no profit, but at the end of the day, you do not make losses in the forex market, right? So you break even, especially as a long-term trader. You break even, especially as a long-term trader. It is a way to ensure you leave the market with a profit or no profit but without a loss, right? A way you leave the market with no profit or little profit from the market, right? It is a conservative way of trading. A conservative way of trading, right? As a day trader, use the break even when the market has given you 20 pips and above. Now, before I talk about using break even as a day trader, let me quickly show you how it is on the chart. Right. So if you are not used to the normal stop losses, especially as a long-term trader, you are not used to the normal stop losses, take profit in the forex market, right? You wish to use the break even in the forex. It's a very conservative way, especially as a long-term trader. Now, what's it talking about? What is it all about, right? So let's wish, or let's say I wish to sell this market at this price. I wish to sell this market at this price, just at this same place. Look at this place. I wish to sell this market at this price, right? And I wish to ride the market down to this place, right? Or let's even take, for instance, I wish to stay longer in the forex market. Let's get a bigger picture, right? You feel that the market will break this zone, right? And this is the place you want to hold the market for long. You wish to take your profit somewhere here, right? So remember, the market will not just move in one direction. The market will not move directly to that place. The market will get to some places, make a retracement, make a retracement, continue the direction, right? The market will not just move in a particular direction, either to the buy or to the sell. The market will move, go back, move, go back, move. So as a result of the uncertainties in the forex market and the things you are likely to see in the forex market, because you might place for yourself, uncertainties will happen and you see the market moving against or going against your expectation, right? So you quickly enter here for a sell after the break of this neckline. You waited for the market to break, and let's say the market has broken, you wish to sell the market, right, taking your profit to this particular place, right? You can decide after selling when the market gets to this place. Remember, when you sell here, your stop loss should be above, right, somewhere above. Then your take profit, since you wish to take the profit here, by the time the market has moved to this particular place below your entry in your favor, giving you profit already, right? That's the most important thing you have to note. Whenever you want to use the break even pattern, the market must be in profit first. You don't use break even when the market is in loss, right? Especially this common type of break even. You break even when the market is already in profit, right? So the market has broken low, broken here to this particular place, and you wish to put your break even, and this is your entry. Remember, this is your entry. All you have to do is to pick your stop loss. Have a mental picture that your stop loss is somewhere here. If your stop loss is somewhere here, remember this 4-hour time frame or somewhere above, you pick your stop loss, putting it at the same price you enter the market. But if you can take it a little bit below the price you enter the market so that you will be able to pay for spread, doing so, you have covered the anything that has to do with loss in the market. You will never live with loss, provided you are taking your stop loss to your entry price and the market is already in profit. You have taken your stop loss to your entry price. All you have to do is just to go and sleep. There is nothing bad. You just have to go and do what? Sleep, because the market can never go against you except you are using certain kinds of brokers or certain types of brokerage firms that are not regulated or not good in the forex market, right? So the concept of break even, taking your stop loss to your entry price in order not for you to make losses in any way in the forex market. That's how it is too. If you are buying the market, let's take for instance, you wish to buy the market. Yes, you wish to buy the market, trying to get a particular structure, right? So you wish to buy the market, you wish to buy this market, you wish to buy this market, you wish to buy this market, you wish to go in for a buy, right? And out of your analysis, or as a result of your analysis in the forex market, you are trying to take your profit here. You are trying to take your profit here. You are patiently waiting for the market to break above. That is, by the time the market breaks above, by the time the market breaks above and close above, you enter, then taking your first profit somewhere here, right? So remember, this daily time frame is not going to be easy for market to get to your take profit, because the take profit zone is very, very high. Is very high, right? So all you have to do, by the time the market has moved, you put your break even point. That is, you are dragging your stop loss to your entry point in order for you not to secure more losses in the market, or even news, so that news will not catch up with you in the forex market. That's the concept of break even, taking your stop loss to your entry point. That's the concept of break even in the market. Break even is not something too much. There are different types, but this is the common part of it, right? This is the common part of it. Taking your stop loss to your entry point in the market, right? But this is what I would advise, right? Instead of putting your stop loss level to your entry point, take it a little bit. If you are buying, take it a little bit above. That's if you are buying, take your stop loss a little bit above in order for you to live in profit should in case the market goes against you, and take your stop loss a little bit below the entry price if you are selling, in order for you not to lose the market, right? So this is very, very important in the forex market, right? It's very, very important in the forex market. Very, very important in the forex market. Let's say you are selling, you are trying to sell here, you are trying to sell here at the close of this candlestick, give you confirmation, and you wish to take your profit here, but you still want to place your break even. All you have to do is to pick your stop loss, drag it below, take your stop loss below your entry price. If you enter here, take your stop loss. Let's say this is your entry. You pick your stop loss, you take it below after the market has moved, then giving the entry a space. You must give the entry to a space, or giving some gap where the prevalent market price is, in order for you to hit the profit, right? So break even is something very, very good, right? As a day trader, use the break even when the market has given 20 pips and above. If you are buying in the market, not a single candlestick towards your direction. Let's say you are buying a single candlestick towards your direction, you want to go and break even. It's not professional, right? Or you are selling, let's say you are selling here, all you want is for the market to make this move. All you want is for the market to come to this place, and you are seeing the candlestick here. Remember, this is your entry. You are seeing the candlestick here. That is not advisable. It's not really advisable to place your break even here. It's not really advisable, because there's still possibility for the market to come back just to toy with your emotion. So allow the market to make a move first, at least 20 pips if you're a day trader, so that there will be a space between the place you place your stop loss, which is within or close to your entry point, and the place where the market is headed to, right? So that there will be a space, or there will be a breathing space in the market, so that you will end up enjoying the money should in case the market does not reverse or continues. So that yes, so that the market, you enjoy everything when the market continues that direction, right? So that is it, 20 pips and above. As a position trader, use it from 150 pips and above. As a position trader, use it from 150 pips and above. You all know what pip is. If you don't know, or if you are here to get more about it, there is a video on it on this channel. All you have to do is just to go watch it and understand it very well, right? So if the market is going to a particular direction, as a swing trader, 150 pips. I shared with us what swing traders are. There are those of them that can leave trade for days, even up to weeks, right? So why do people use break even? They use it especially during news release, right? When there is news, when a news is about to be released, used for technical reasons, right? They use it for technical reasons in the market. So especially during news release, right? So that's when people use it. As swing trader, or as a swing trader, use break even when the market gives from 50 pips and above. As a swing trader, use break even when the market gives from 50 pips and above. Then a position trader, I didn't put it here, as a position trader, use break even when the market gives you from 150 pips, 150 pips and above, whether to the buying or to the selling direction. That's when you use break even in the forex market. It's a conservative way. Up till now, I use it, right? It's also recommended. It's something anybody can use. Everybody can use break even in the forex market, and you see yourself making profit. Not only making profit, but making profit judiciously in the forex market. If you are enjoying this video, do well to subscribe, share to your friends, share to those of them close to you, for them to benefit, right? So as a way of recap, in the forex market, we start with break even, right? So we said there are different types of break even, but for today I'm talking about the common one, right? Where you take your stop loss to your entry point in order for you not to lose the market when the market goes against you. In order for you not to lose the market when the market go against you, right? You can as well take it a little bit above your entry point, especially if you are buying, so that when the market start coming against you, you'll be able to pay for both spread and you'll be able to live with something reasonable. But break even, the concept is for you not to lose the market, right? So, or to lose the trade, right? So this is one of the best way to manage risk and losses in the forex market. We've said that you make little or no profit, but you don't make losses in the forex market, right? You break even, especially as a long-term trader. It is a way to ensure that you leave the market with a profit. This is a way to ensure you leave the market with a profit, right? It's a conservative way of trading. As a trader or as a day trader, use the break even when market has given from 20 pips and above, right? So as a position trader, use it when market has given from 150 pips and above. Use during news release. That's why people use it. Use for technical reasons too. As a swing trader from 50 pips and above. Hope you just enjoyed this video, right? Remember, if you have any questions, send it to the comment section and I will be there to take your question, right? So that is the concept of the break even. Thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you. Bye now.